This is my litter of 5. There is 2 males and 3 females. They're all sold but this one. 1 male. 1 male is still available, and I'll get a close-up of him in a minute. Hey! Hi, guys! That's a male. The female. 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 Oh, my God. So, again, these basically on this side are all sold. This is a male. Hi there. This little, oh, this scared him. Hi there, little girl. Hello, hello. That male right there is still available. That female is sold. Male is still available. She's moving around. Are you playing with the bow? Let me see if I can get a good grip on it. Now again, all are sold except for the male. Female. You are so cute. You're very pretty. So are you. Yes, you are. Are you playing with me? Look at him. Look at her. Male and female. That male is still available. Again, that male is still available. Hey, little buddy. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, okay.